Hi, I'm Nicole Evans, and I'm here today to tell you a little bit about CalHFA's newest program, the CalAssist Mortgage Fund. CalHFA, or the California Housing Finance Agency, is the state's affordable home lender, and they have run a few programs over the years to really help homeowners in their greatest times of need. So during the pandemic, they ran the California Mortgage Relief Program that helped people who are behind on payments to ensure that they could stay in their homes. And now they launched this summer, back in June, the CalAssist Mortgage Fund, which is fairly similar, but not exactly the same. And it is a bridge to recovery. It is designed to help people as they're trying to navigate their next steps in the face of a disaster in losing their home or nearly losing their home as a result of a qualified disaster. The program will provide 3 months of mortgage payments to eligible homeowners up to a maximum of $20,000. The applications are currently open. You can apply anytime you like, but I will note for you that the funds are limited. A total of $105 million has been allocated to this program. There are plenty of funds available still today, but they are limited. This is a one-time program, and once all of the funds have been awarded, the program will conclude and close. So we do encourage you to apply as quickly as possible. The great news about this program is eligible homeowners who receive those 3 months of mortgage payments will never have to pay them back. They are considered a grant. They never have to be repaid, and it is free to apply. This is a state program. We wouldn't charge for people to apply. Those who are eligible, once they go online, they apply, the application's reviewed and approved, the funds are sent directly to your mortgage servicer. You never have to think about it. It is completely handled, and you have 3 months of mortgage payments covered. This can be for people who are current on their home mortgage payments, and they can get 3 months of payments ahead of time made. It can be for people who took a forbearance, who hit that pause button on making mortgage payments as a result of the disaster. They could get 3 months of mortgage payment. Or it can be for homeowners who have fallen a little bit behind on their mortgage payments since the disaster happened. We can help out with that as well. People who are currently in foreclosure or had long-term missed payments starting before that disaster occurred, then those people will not be eligible, and our program won't be able to help them. So eligibility, let me tell you a little bit about eligibility. This program is for people whose primary residence was destroyed or deemed uninhabitable as a result of a qualified disaster. Qualified disaster is basically a disaster that was declared by the governor or by the president, and it would have had to have occurred sometime between January of 2023 and January of this year, and that does include the LA wildfire. This applies for primary residents only, so if you own multiple homes, then you would not be eligible for this program. However, it does apply for a single family home, or if you have a duplex or a triplex, or even up to 4 units on your property, you could be eligible, but it does need to be your primary residence. And here's the exciting news that we had to share for today about the recent news for the program. We have recently expanded our income limits and increased them so substantially. So now households where the 2 mortgage holders or a single mortgage holder earns up to a maximum of $211,000 a year are eligible for the program. That's a $70,000 increase over our prior income limit from just a few months ago. So this is very exciting. Many more people will be eligible and able to apply. So we're very excited about that. You do go online to apply. This is an online application. Up here at the top of the slide, you'll see our web address. It's CalAssistMortgageFund.org. You can go online. It's fairly easy and quick to apply as long as you pull together all the documents you're going to need, such as a mortgage statement, bank statement, utility bill from the property that was damaged the month before the disaster happened. We might need your homeowner claim or FEMA claim, and we'll need a proof of income. You also have a call center available to you 5 days a week from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., 1-800 501-0019. Our specialists are able to help you with the application, answer your questions, or if you want to check on the status of your application. I want to give you a few tips about the program quickly. Basically, once you apply, it's really important that you check your email frequently. The email account you use to apply with will be communicating with you that way. And sometimes we need additional documents. And if you want to keep this process, this application review moving quickly, it's really important to check that email and respond as quickly as you can. Additionally, if there are more than one people listed on your mortgage, those co-borrowers also need to sign off on the application, and they'll need to sign off on any additional documents that are uploaded and sent into the program. And finally, I just really want to encourage anybody who thinks they might be eligible for the program to please apply or call our contact center. We want to help as many people as possible. The rules have to be applied fairly, but we want to make sure anybody who is eligible can apply. And finally, I just want you to know we're here for you. We're here to help you through the application process. Some people struggle with technology. We recognize that. This is an online application, but our call center, they can help you from logging into our website to setting up an account to answering each of the questions on the application. We want to help you. We also have housing counselors and legal aid organizations helping us on the ground in communities, helping people fill out their applications. For instance, NHSLA has been holding regular office hours at the Altadena Library, and they're helping people in person complete applications. They can walk you through that entire process or even assist with it. So we hope that you'll look at the CalAssist Mortgage Fund. We're really excited about the program. We want to get these funds out as quickly as possible to as many eligible homeowners as possible. Thank you for your time, and please don't hesitate to call us with any questions to 1-800-501-0019. Thank you.